Hey guys, today I have a matching Amana washer and electric dryer set, just a couple years old, and right now I've got the washer running. I set it to normal, regular, and over here we have cool, so it's using both valves. You could go hot or you could go cold. Now it's also got the deep water wash option selected, and what that means is we're going to get full submersion of water on the clothes just like the old machines. And then it's going to use this center agitator with the fins to get these clothes really clean. It's going to do an excellent job cleaning these clothes up. And typically this would be locked, wouldn't be able to open it up, but I've got an additional one of these strikers I bought online, so I can stick it here. We can kind of see what's going on, but it's determining how much water it needs. And it's just about full submersion. You can see those clothes are completely under. Then it'll go through its agitating cycle, and once it's done with that, it'll drain all the water out, fill all the way back up with fresh water for the rinse cycle, drain all of that out, and then we'll be on to the final spin. So I'm going to show you that it drains in between here, and that it's got a nice, fast, smooth final spin cycle. And while we're kind of waiting on that, I'll go ahead and just show you that the dryer is working perfect. So over here now, you have high heat on time dry, so we can set it at 60 minutes there. Just hit the start button and it goes. You've got your lint trap right here. You want to make sure that's cleaned out before each and every load. And you also have an air dry, which is no heat setting. Super delicate items go here. Automatic dry on low heat, and then automatic dry on high heat. And I'll show you real fast that it is in fact heating like it's supposed to. So right on top of the dryer, about 90 degrees on top of the dryer, and down here on the concrete floor, 72. So it's colder down there, obviously. And you can see that's all spinning. Plenty of heat coming out of the heating element tube here. So this is going to heat the inside of the dryer up anywhere from about 95 up to 195. Just depends how high you have that heat setting, how long the dryer's been running, all of that. So good to go there. And as you can see in here, that sounds great. And you wouldn't be able to hear the blower motor either if you had the vent hose hooked up on the back. It would be virtually silent. You would just hear the clothes kind of tumbling along. But yeah, these are in excellent condition. Like I said, just a couple years old. Very clean. Now this here, let's turn this off so you can hear how quiet this washer is. Now it's getting busy agitating, pulling those clothes down the center along those fins, down the bottom along the fins on the bottom, and then up the side, and it does this vortexing motion. So the clothes not only agitate against the fins, they agitate amongst themselves, and the whole process gets the clothes really clean. Full water usage there. And that's going to be it there. So I'll come back and show you the drain next. Alright, we are switching out of the wash cycle. Now moving into the rinse cycle. Just draining all that water out there. Nice and fast. You can hear it running. Once it's got the water drained out, it will spin to extract that soapy water. Fill back up for the rinse cycle. Then it'll once again spin to extract that water, and then final spin, which is what I'll come back for next, the fastest final spin, so you can see that it's nice, smooth, and sounds great during that operation. Alright, we are on that final spin. It's up to full speed, and as you can see and hear, nice smooth operation, sounds great. These machines spin really fast. Super important that you get the machine level front to back, side to side, and then you go around to each foot and pull it out just a little bit and make sure it's snug. That's how you make sure your machine's got a real sturdy stance and doesn't have any weird noises, so there's no vibration in it. So I'm gonna let this go ahead and finish up, and then I'll get those clothes dried up. But we already showed off the dryer. You know, both of them work perfect. Get them home, plug it in, you'll be good to go. So I'll go ahead and get them listed up for sale. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. And I do appreciate you taking the time to watch my video. Thanks. You guys have a great day.